Welcome to Tumbledry, India's most trustworthy laundry and dry cleaning brand with more than 70 stores across 21 cities. Our unique live store concept, unlike any other dry cleaners, enables you to walk in and witness our ultra hygiene standards. We process each customer's clothes separately as per WHO safety protocols for COVID-19. Unlike other dry cleaners, our exclusive combination of Woolmark-approved Lagoon machines and German organic chemicals is tough on stains but gentle for clothes and safe for skin. It preserves clothes' true colors and leaves refreshing fragrance. Our live processing uniquely positions us to deliver orders even within 4 hours. Free pickup services can be availed through mobile app, where you can also track order and pay online. What's more, you can experience our services at very affordable prices.